and grow by of a tech company. The question are how to make it and how works a bladeless fan. That's right, a bladeless fan. And what was the first step of your project?
We made a prototype to understand the working, and main materials was cardboard.
Okay, what did you learn with the prototype?
They need to apply the Bernoulli's principle for a better air flux.
And now I will call the next invitees to continue the interview. With which materials were used to make the final project?
So we used the stainless steel for the ring, MDF for the base of the latest fan, and we use a time programmer to control the time for interviews and presentations.
Okay. How many days did you use to build the bladeless fan?
To build the prototype, we used just 1 day. And to build the final project, we needed 3 or 2 months.
Which were the users used as the product of the final project?
Laser cut, weld, sand, programming, and SolidWorks assembly.